In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Zoom meeting waiting room. A customized waiting room is a simple way to make a professional first impression and set expectations before your meeting even begins. It helps guests know they're in the right place and gives you a chance to share helpful details while they wait. Start on your desktop browser and sign in to your Zoom account. This is done on the Zoom website, not the desktop app. Once you're signed in, open Settings. You'll see various categories. Look for the waiting room option. If you don't see it right away, it's often under security-related settings. This is the feature that holds participants until you admit them, and it's required for customization. Turn on waiting room using the toggle. Once it's enabled, you'll see a button or link to customize waiting room. Click that to open the editor. This is where you can tailor what participants see while they're waiting to be admitted. Inside the customization screen, you can edit the message, logo, and background. Start with the message. Keep it short, friendly, and informative. A clear welcome line and a sentence on what to expect, like when the meeting will start or any quick reminders, go a long way. Avoid including any sensitive information. You can also add a brief note about what participants should do if their display name needs to match a registration name, or remind them to have their microphone muted. Next, add a logo if you'd like. Use a clean, high-quality image that represents your brand or organization. A transparent PNG often looks best. Make sure it's not too detailed and that it still looks good at smaller sizes. For the background, pick an image or color that complements your logo and keeps text readable. High contrast is important so your message is easy to see. If you use an image, avoid busy patterns or heavy text and keep important elements away from the edges. As you make changes, use the preview to see how it will appear to attendees. Consider how it might look on mobile screens as well as desktops. If something doesn't look right, adjust the message length, swap the image, or choose a simpler background. When you're happy with the design, click Save. Your customized waiting room will now appear for participants in your meetings that use the waiting room feature. Later, you can start a quick test meeting and join from another device to see the waiting room exactly as your guests will. If you ever need to update it, return to Settings, open the waiting room customization, make your edits, and save again.